Hello everyone, today is Saturday, a rainy Saturday morning. But if you are someone who love planting, rain is a blessing because to you don't have to water the plants. So you can save money on water, and you can save effort, you can save your energy. So today I feel blessed because it's raining. Hello to an audience, thank you so much for watching my live. I just finished my dance routine in the morning. So today I'm going to prepare something for my mother, because when I was a kid, I saw my mother really preparing like this. It's a ampalaya, a bitter gourd. Yes, I put it a little of onion and a little of calamansi and honey. I put honey here because it's have to be sweet, because mother is now 79 years old. She wants tastier food, even though it's not good for her, but she wants it, so I prepare something for her. It's a raw vegetables, because I think aging people must be into raw vegetables, raw food, raw fruits, plant-based, because they can save money on these healthy foods, because they can prevent illness. They can not experience illness if they are on plant-based diet, because it's a gift of God, blessing by God, because it's given by nature. Hello, Ma'am Jessica Dolor. Good morning. It's a Saturday morning. It's the day only that I am vacant, because tomorrow we are going to have an activity, and of course we are going to prepare going to our workplace, because we have our Brigada kick-off ceremony on PD2 on Monday. So I hope everyone is ready to participate in Brigada Eskwela, because it's the only time we can prepare for the opening of new school year. And I hope everyone is safe so they can participate in the Brigada Eskwela. So it's ready. By the way, I'm also boiling this okra and eggplant, so I can eat vegetables also. But this is cooked. I'm going to cook this eggplant and okra. I don't think they are eaten raw, but I make sure that I just boil it, because it's different. I mean, it's difficult to, it's not good to fry all the foods that we're going to eat. I just bought this 2 pieces of this already. I was looking for this for 50 pesos, and luckily we are having our, hello Ma'am Ina Tusok Reyes, having this patula. This is a young patula, because Marife didn't want the older one, but I want of course the older and bigger one, because of course it's economical, but it's just given to us. So thank you so much, Marife. Do you have a neighbor like her who really wants to give you vegetables, especially vegetables? I am very thankful, because you're not going to buy it and you are going to eat more nutritious food. Look at this. It's a papaya, but because I'm too lazy to shred it, now it look like this. But I blend it, so it's look like a ketchup when it blended. It has also a young mango. Hello, Orly Alde. Yeah, thank you for coming. I am not really good in cooking, but at least I can eat my own food. Actually, it's my trick. I didn't really want my food to be so tasty that I can eat more rice, because I don't need more rice because I'm getting older, and I don't really, what do you call that, I don't really work like a construction worker, so I just sit almost all day because I'm writing, so I don't eat that much. I think it's a must for aging people to live longer and healthier. It's not just we are going to live longer because God only knows how are we going to live, but at least we are taking care of the gift, and it's the gift of life. So it is done. I'm going to give my mother her breakfast, but it's too early since it's only 6:43, but at least you can eat her. Babe, we are going to blend this also. This is a mango, an apple, a tomato, and a little bit of ginger. So we're going to drink this first before we are going to eat. Hello, Noel Violata. Good morning. Thank you so much for watching my live and also supporting. By the way, Noel Violata is also a content creator from Karamuan, but he is now in what province or in what city. So good luck to you, Noel. This is our kitchen. By the way, I'm just going to flex this. It's a new. Actually, this is a third electric kettle that we bought because the two just damaged by, maybe because it's old or maybe because it's not a good quality, but this is just cheap. This is only 5. I mean, for me it's not cheap. Actually, it's 550. I really wanted to have someone like something like 100 pesos, but I love this because it's cream or the color, and protected by a plastic, not just an ordinary na like this, because it's hot. So this is more more customer friendly because it's not hot. And we have her thermos, so we can drink as much as we can, because I will show you the turmeric that we had here. Wait. So this is a turmeric that we have here. I blend the turmeric like this ginger. I blend this without any other fruits or vegetables. I just blend it, and then I separate the solid part, and then this is the liquid part, and I just put it in the fridge so I can just mix it with water and honey. I put this in hot water and drink every morning. Of course, I give it to my mother because my mother is not getting any younger. She has operation 4 times and a lot of infection in her open one. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Hope you have a good day today. Enjoy the weekend. Be healthy. Bye. See you on Monday. Those are in my workplace because we are going to have our Brigada Eskwela kickoff and awarding ceremony for the best reader, best coach. Congratulations, everyone. Bye.